How's it work?
The right one is called a mitered stringer. So it's both the stringer and the corresponding riser are mitered. So it's supposed to replicate a finished staircase. In other words, you can't see. If you're standing here, you wouldn't see into the end grain of the riser. So that's a finished side there, and this side is going to have what's called a skirt board, which is basically another stringer. It's called a semi-house stringer, and the skirt board is going to come up and intersect a trim piece. So it would basically be your baseboard running off the landing into the skirt board. And then in behind the skirt board you'd have your finished wall material, half-inch drywall typically. So,
How's your apprenticeship going?
pardon me?
How's your apprenticeship going?
Very well. Yeah. Yeah. Extremely well. It's challenging. It's nice to get into the shop and do some hands-on work. Building everything in miniature.